And we're back to learning Inkscape in year day 44. Let me show you how I can recreate the US flag. This one's a little bit more complex, but we're gonna get through it with all the stuff that I've shown you so far in this playlist. First up, we create a star, make it 5 corners, and the spoke ratio needs to be 0.4. Give it a fill, no stroke. You can hold Shift and click on the X to get rid of the stroke, so it needs to be unset right here at the top. Always press Ctrl C, Ctrl V to copy paste. And always hold Ctrl when you resize your stars. This keeps the aspect ratio. We're gonna create a couple of these, and from time to time I need to uncheck right here at the top right the snapping and then resize it, and then I usually reactivate it because we need it, but sometimes it gets in the way of resizing stuff. Let me check here. It actually looks alright. I hold Shift and click on every second star till I've got 5, and then I drag it down holding Control. And I can delete the last one, not this. I press Ctrl Z, but the last one. So we need a row of 6 and a row of 5 stars, and then Ctrl C, Ctrl V on these 2 rows. Copy paste. Currently the US flag has 50 stars, which is 5 rows of 6 and 4 rows of 5. So I can delete the last one here that I've copied, and then we should be good. Select it all, and you can also control here and resize it. Now create a rectangle on top, give it a different color than the stars in your background canvas, and put it to bottom using this function right here. Then resize it by hand. I haven't yet talked about aligning and stuff, so we're gonna do it by hand. But in future videos, I'm going to show you how to properly distribute and align objects in Inkscape. For now, as I've said, we're gonna use our eye and do it by hand. Once we've got that, we need another rectangle. Use the snapping, go to the top left of the existing rectangle, and then drag your first stripe. Give it a different color and put it to bottom yet again. Once you've got it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V to copy, and the snapping helps you here. For the stripes, we need first up only 3 and 2. So 3 of the first color and 2 of the second, and then make it as big as the rectangle that we've got on top or at the bottom of our stars. And in total, it's 7 and 6 stripes that we need, so 13. Let me count here. I need to copy that once more. And now I hold Shift and I click on every second stripe, and we need to make that red and the other ones should be white. So while you hold Shift and left click on stuff, you can add more and more and more to your selection. But let me actually make this a bit longer on the right hand side. So now that we've got that, I recolor the rectangle on the top left, which should be blue. But let me use a darker bluish color and a darker red. And now we should be fine. Select it all, hold Control when you size it down. And maybe you want to give it a frame, so use another rectangle. The snapping helps in finding the right position. Click on the X and then hold Shift and click on the black color swatch. This gives it a stroke and no fill. And this is how you can recreate the US flag in Inkscape. Try it out yourself, just to practice a little bit. And then we're gonna start with the new topic in the next video. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.